Biodiversity are home to over the worlds of many different species of plants and animals. They have a vital role to play in the fight against global warming. More than 1 billion people around depend on it for their livelihoods, and around 300 million people actually live in forests. But why did people do such a thing in order to destroy it? There's a lot of distractions, and we are losing them at a rate of around one football pitch every 2 seconds. Habitat loss is one of the biggest threats to biodiversity, the number one reason why species go extinct.
Clear-cutting forests to create fields, cutting trees to build houses, and creating dams to change river flow
are all examples of habitat destruction.
Biodiversity are dangerously damaged or completely destroyed. The threat to our ecosystem has always been deforestation, and this sick activity is still continued by many humans and still kept going nowadays. Deforestation creates an ecological imbalance, yet they have to fill their pockets with some greedy people, and they don't even think about it once either.
So, that's why we're raising our voice to fight in empowering biodiversity, conservation, decisions against deforestation. Deforestation poses the greatest threat to species. The world's forest animals' habitats continue to disappear as they are harvested for human consumption and cleared to make way for agriculture, housing, roads, and other hallmarks of industrial development. Without a strong plan to create and protect the areas of essential ecological habitats, biodiversity will continue to be lost. The rapidly growing human population is putting more and more pressure on existing habitats. Now, much of the world's biodiversity is found in tropical forests. Unfortunately, tropical forests are being cut down.
Why we need to cut down many trees just to make football field? Individuals and families would clear plots of lands for their animals, houses, or even small farms. Many trees are being rapidly cleared for agriculture. Mountains, habitats, grassland, marine, and aquatic habitats are being destroyed for human energy. Agriculture and fishing needs resulting for a decreasing biodiversity within species.
Losing their homes because of the growing needs of humans is the saddest reality.
The serious concern brought by deforestation can bring everything on risk. The question is, can we stop deforestation? Can humans actually stop deforestation? Yes, we can.
By means of collaborations and cooperations by each other, there's so much things that we can accomplish in order to conserve our biodiversity.
And the most effective way to solve deforestation is to curb the felling of trees by enforcing a series of rules and laws to govern it. Banning clear cutting of trees will curb the total depletion of the forest cover, serves as a practical solution and very feasible way. Lands skinned because of urban settlements should be urged to plant trees to replace the cut trees. The cutting trees must be replaced by planting young trees to replace the older ones that were cut, and demand companies committing to reduce deforestation through forest-friendly policies and follow through on those commitments. Also reduce consumptions of paper. Wherever possible, go paperless. And more importantly, educate not just yourself but also on others. Still, many are unaware of the global warming problem we are facing. We need to educate the people around us, friends, family, and community we are living at by sharing the deforestation facts.
Always remember, deforestation cannot just destroy our planet, but also can destroy human lives and different species.
We should never forget that the vengeance of the environment against on us humans is really disastrous and fearsome. Together, let's unite and lift up our arms for the betterment of our ecosystem. It is the right time to wake up with the reality and do such a thing. Conserve and take action for a deforestation-free future.